This plant I had done a video a couple of days back. Apparently it's a very useful thing. That is, it is pan-tropical. It occurs in numerous countries, and it is supposed to be the host plant for some 20 type of butterflies. And then so many birds are enjoying these fruits, it seems. The botanical name and all I'll write in the title of the video. And then leaves are like that. It's quite a nondescript tree with very inconspicuous flowers and fruits. But these fruits are feeding a lot of creatures. And it belongs to that marijuana family, it seems. So-called that ganja family. This is the flower. Small flowers. So flower is like that, two petals, I think. And the fruit are small, black, little things. The fruit. And it becomes a big tree, fast growing also. So the whole thing is a tree. And it will have 1,000,000 fruits. So it spreads also easily because those birds are eating it and putting the dropping wherever they go around their nests and all. And butterflies also are relishing it and important. So it's one of the essential plants for a biodiversity garden and butterfly garden and all, and hardy also.